This is what we were working with. This cage is disgusting. It needs a vacuum. Her litter box needs to be changed. It needs a sweep out. It needs all these things taken out and new stuff put in. It needs a new blanket put down instead of just the carpet. This is terrible. So let's get to cleaning. Okay, all I did was just vacuum with my shop vac. And if you have a rabbit, a shop vac is your best friend. So I just vacuumed with the shop vac, and now I'm going to put the blanket down. The blanket that I'm putting down, so I'm going to put the camera somewhere, try to, so you can see me do this. It's what the floor looks like and the fence looks like so far. And now I'm going to get onto the inside of her cage and clean all this stuff up on top of her cage. I just put her new hidey house in here. And I put some cardboard and toys in there. Now moving on to this filthy disgustingness in this part of the cage. The litter box, all the stuff that was scattered everywhere, and I sweeped it up and I vacuumed some of it up with the shop vac, and all this is stained stuff. So I'm gonna see if there's any little spots that need to be sprayed down. Then I'm gonna wipe them down with a paper towel and my vinegar and water solution with this stuff, and wiped it up with a paper towel. So it's all clean. Everything else is just stained. Now I'm gonna clean her litter box out. How disgusting it is. Now I just need to scoop it up, and then I will spray the solution and wipe. Cleaned out. It's very, very stained on the bottom. I sprayed it out twice with the water and vinegar solution and wiped it out with a paper towel. And now I have to put the bedding in there, and then the cage will be clean. So her cage is clean. I'm going to do a cage tour next, so stay tuned for that video.